Okay, today I'm going to show you how to adjust if the strap is too short. So basically we're going to be adding in length, and in order to do that, you're going to want to mark across and then cut right down the middle. So you have two halves here. And then we're just going to add in a piece of paper. And say we want to add in 2.5 centimeters, which is about an inch. So we're just going to mark that on here. Just like that. And then you're just going to want to separate these pieces, just like that. And tape it down. And then from there, you're just going to take off this extra paper. Alright, and that's all you need to do. This is what you need to do if your strap is too short.